Two Wants to Know is making sure that you know about the opportunity to have a talk one-on-one with a lawyer for free this Friday. It's the For All Lawyers on-call event, and Benjamin Winikoff, attorney with Daggett Schuler, will be one of the many lawyers who will be offering legal information for free. So Ben, hey, the North Carolina Bar Foundation, they've been doing this for years now.
That's right. This is our 18th year providing this service for the people of North Carolina. Nearly 400 attorneys volunteer for the event, and we served nearly 10,000 individuals last year.
Okay, so this is like an all-day call-in, 10 until 7. All of these lawyers are all across the state manning the phones. For folks who wonder, well, what kinds of things can I call and ask about? It kind of runs the gamut.
Absolutely. So we have attorneys from all different practice areas, and when you get called, when you call, you will be sorted to the attorney of that practice area, whether it's criminal issues, employment issues, personal injury claims, family law issues, estate planning issues, real estate issues. We have attorneys in each practice area so that you can get your questions answered.
So what I love about this is so often people do have like some kind of law related question and they ask their neighbor or their friend or someone who thinks that they know, but this is their chance to really find out.
Absolutely. Our whole goal in doing this and having all these attorneys volunteer is to kind of remove a barrier to access, right? To take away the consultation fees or trying to get on someone's schedule, to be able to call and be routed to an attorney to get that free legal information so that you have that information and those resources to help you make your decisions.
All right, so let's kind of give them an example. You do personal injury. So maybe someone calls and says, hey, I got a settlement with a company or a business, and I want to know, do I have to pay taxes on that settlement?
That's right. That would be a great question to call in and ask, and I'll be able to advise that for personal injury settlements, they are generally not taxable. So not something you'd have to pay taxes on.
Okay, and then what is another maybe common personal injury question that people might ask?
Sure. There are several. I think one of the most frequent ones I get asked deals with, how much is my car worth if I get into an accident? Is it the cost to replace the car, or is it the value of the car that it was at the time of the accident? And the answer is that it's the value of your car in the seconds before the accident. So even if it costs you a lot more money to find a car with the same features, that's not under the property law in North Carolina. That's not what they're required to pay you, just what the cost of your car was at the time.
Yep, it's good to find out what the real answer is instead of what you think the answer might be. All right, well, we want to thank you for your time, your expertise, and we want to make sure that people get their phones out right now so they can take a screenshot of the information of what's happening on Friday. So the For All Lawyers on-call event is this Friday from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Again, lawyers are doing this all over the state. So you see all the different phone numbers for all the different areas all across our state. Take that screenshot right now. If you don't have your phone handy, you'll be able to find this info in the Two Wants to Know section.